easy to use and interactive platform, EduTech is one of the fastest growing sector in India. Over the past few years, companies like Byju's, Vedantu, White Hat Junior have all shown this, thus EduTech is the growing market in India. We researched, analyzed that how in this virtual age when everything is easily accessible, so why not create a system that will cater to every individuals from all walks of life. That's how this MyDigiWorld was born. अच्छा, तो क्या आप जानना चाहते हैं हम MyDigiWorld में क्या क्या सिखाएंगे? We will teach you yoga, dance, cooking, foreign languages, Indian languages, coding, music, sports, fitness, entrepreneurship, painting, drawing, animation, graphic design, photography, and many more. The list is endless, and we will keep adopting, evolving, and improving ourselves and adding new feathers in the hat with time. And these teachings, friends, you will get directly from the world-class teachers who have been selected and filtered from across India, who are all trained for teaching online, especially for this platform. Our goal at My Lifestyle is to educate and empower the next generation of people from all age groups. Our vision is to inspire and create exceptional learning experiences with live training sessions, exponential technologies, and a classroom-like feel at your comfort. We plan to run 10,000 plus courses on our platform annually. And at any given point of time, there will be at least 10 classes running live all through the day. Let me explain some basic features of this product. Live interactive sessions directly with the tutors. Here in this MyDigiWorld platform, teachers will conduct live classes, and all these classes will have 25 to 30 to 40 students, depends on the courses. Teachers will make sure that classes are innovative and interactivity. वो सिखाते सिखाते जाएंगे और आप सीखते जाएंगे. If you have any doubts or questions any time during the class, you can directly ask the tutor then and there and get it resolved. That is why we are saying we are not another YouTube or another video platform. We are a teaching platform. Friends, this MyDigiWorld will have 10,000 plus skills and courses. Our classes will be very innovative. Apart from the regular teachings like dance, music, coding, we also have some innovative classes like book reading. Friends, most of the time we get tired of reading a book. कुछ books हम खरीदते हैं but पढ़ नहीं पाते. We can't understand many of the books. We have doubts at various places. So here we have where the teacher will come in live and they will teach you. They will teach chapter by chapter by chapter and make you understand the whole book in your language. Say कोई book English में है, कोई book हिंदी में है, कोई book मलयालम में है, तो मलयालम टीचर आके आपको अपनी लैंग्वेज में समझाएगी. So book reading will no more be a boring thing for you. Friends, next we have in this platform the celebrity teachers. We have selected few and filtered few of the best celebrities who are experts in their fields. I'll share more details about them. Who are all the teachers, who are all the celebrities जो अपने को इस प्लेटफॉर्म में सिखाएंगे. जिन सेलिब्रिटीज को हम सिर्फ टीवी पे देखते हैं, मूवीज में देखते हैं, उन्हें आज उनके साथ हम यहाँ बैठ के बात कर पाएंगे, उनसे सीख पाएंगे. गिव यू अ सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ कंप्लीशन. सर्टिफिकेट आपको बहुत. प्लेटफॉर्म कब सक्सेस होगा दोस्तों? जब बेस्ट टीचर्स इस प्लेटफॉर्म में आके सिखाएंगे. Do you want to see who are going to teach you in this platform? We not only have some of the finest tutors, but legends of their own field.